Hello, everyone. My name is Eric Romero. I'm the 2022-2023 Graduate System Student Organizations here at UNT. Thank you for joining me for this workshop, which was designed to assist with the advisor transition process. So, the main objectives of this workshop is to identify new advisor requirements, why the transition process is important, what to do as an advisor if you're stepping down, and what resources our office provides in helping with this smooth transition for student organizations for advisors. So, as a new advisor, who can serve as a new advisor? Well, who can serve as a new advisor is any full-time staff faculty member who is older than 21 years old and is not a GA, TA, or undergrad student worker here at UNT. What are the must of an advisor? So the must of an advisor is they must represent the interests of UNT at a meeting and activities of registered organizations with regard to compliance with policy and internal guidelines. They must provide guidance regarding the operation of registered student organization and its activities. And also, in the event that an advisor is removed or resigns, a new advisor shall be selected within 15 days and reported to Student Activity Center. So, what are the requirements and forms that are needed for a new advisor? They must complete the advisor information confirmation form, which is a form that gives our office information so we can have it on file to reach out to you for certain different things that we need from you as an advisor. You must complete the advisor risk management form, and you must complete the query training annually. So what should you do as a new advisor? The first thing you should do as a new advisor is you should take the time to meet with your new officers and learn about the organization and the goals of its members. You also can look on our website, which has an advisor handbook, which is there to help with different areas of being an advisor. And then you also must make sure that you are on your new OrgSync, which is our online platform that we have all our organizations on. Just make sure that you're listed as their advisor so you can get all the requirements and all the forms that they need as a student officer that they send you. So why is this transition process important? It is important because it helps to pass on important organizational knowledge and information to new advisor. This is to make sure that they have a strong understanding on how to mentor and guide this organization going forward. Next, it helps to inform and prepare officers for a change in mentorship and guidance from a new advisor. This is to make sure officers are kept up to date on what is happening so that they don't scramble to find a new advisor on their own. And finally, it helps to provide a sense of community among the leadership and its org members as they look to find a new advisor together. So what do you do now that you're stepping away as the advisor? What are the steps that you can take? The first step is to let the officers know that you're stepping down as their advisor. Next, you will fill out a new form we created for our office to let us know that you're stepping down as advisor called the advisor offboarding form. Next, you will work with your students to find a new advisor. If you're unable to find a new advisor, you will have your students fill out the student officer advisor search form so that student activities can reach out to them and help to facilitate in finding a new advisor. And finally, once an advisor has been chosen, make sure that your student officers remove you as their current advisor and add the new advisor so that their org roster will be updated so they will get the new forms and not continue to go to you. So, what are the resources that our office provides in helping with this transition process? The three resources that our office provides is the advisor offboarding form, like I mentioned before, the student org advisor search form, like I mentioned before, and the advisor one-on-one workshop. So this is what they currently look like. So the advisor offboarding form here, you could see it just asks for a little bit of information from you as their current advisor and helping to facilitate and let us know that you're stepping away as the advisor. This is the student org officer search form, which is used to help us match the vision and mission of the current organization with advisors that are willing to take on being a advisor. And finally, the advisor one-on-one workshop, which is on our YouTube page, which is here to help new advisors with this new transition of what to do as an advisor. And I hope this workshop has helped you to have a better understanding of the advisor transition process, what it takes to be a new advisor and all the requirements, why it's important for the transition process, and what to do if you're stepping down as an advisor, and the resources that we provide. And if you have any more further questions, feel free to contact us or visit at the email listed here, student.activities@unt.edu, or come by our office in Union 345. And feel free to reach out if you have any other further questions. Thanks.